Let's be real. A gaming keyboard isn't just about RGB lights anymore. If you're serious about speed, precision, and that perfect key feel, you know the right keyboard can change your entire game. So today, I've rounded up the best gaming keyboards for pro gamers in 2026, from ultra-silent wireless boards to full-on RGB beasts with crazy customization. Let's dive in. Kicking things off with the Corsair K65 Plus wireless, the 75% board that's built for both performance and comfort. This one packs pre-lubricated MLX red linear switches, giving you buttery smooth key presses with zero scratch or wobble. The PBT die sub keycaps feel premium and durable. No shine, no cheap texture. It connects through Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C, so whether you're on PC, Mac, or even a console like PS5 or Xbox, it's plug-and-play ready. And yes, that per-key RGB lighting with IQE software support, still some of the cleanest in the game. Perfect for players who want compact power without sacrificing performance. Check the link in the description for the Corsair K65 Plus wireless. If you want a keyboard that feels good and looks good, the Logitech G715 is a fan favorite. It comes with GX Brown tactile switches, giving you that perfect bump without the noise. Ideal for both gaming and typing. The LightSync RGB is ridiculously customizable, and the detachable palm rest? Absolute lifesaver for long sessions. Plus, with Lightspeed wireless and Bluetooth, it stays responsive whether you're grinding Apex Legends or editing clips on your MacBook. It's also got that cloud white aesthetic that just fits any setup. Sleek, minimalist, and gamer approved. Grab your G715 from the link below and thank me later. Alright, this one's a beast. The ASUS ROG Azoth is what happens when ASUS builds a keyboard for actual enthusiasts. It's a 75% TKL keyboard with tri-mode connectivity. Wired, Bluetooth, or low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless. It features pre-lubed ROG Nex snow linear switches that are hot swappable, so you can fully customize your typing feel. There's even a built-in OLED display for battery, volume, or custom animations, and the PBT keycaps feel incredible for long sessions. And because it's ROG, the build quality is tank-like. Aluminum top plate, gasket mount design, and sound-dampening foam for that satisfying thock. If you're a pro gamer who also happens to love mechanical perfection, this one's worth every cent. Check the link below for the ASUS ROG Azoth. Now, if you love control macros and insane lighting, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro is your dream setup. This wired monster features Razer yellow linear switches, super smooth and silent, perfect for streamers or late-night gaming. You get double-shot ABS keycaps, a multifunction command dial, dedicated macro keys, and of course, Razer Chroma RGB with 20-plus zones of underglow. The magnetic wrist rest adds comfort for those marathon gaming nights. And when it's sitting on your desk, it just looks powerful. It's less of a keyboard and more of a control deck. Grab the BlackWidow V4 Pro using the link below. This thing's a statement piece. Finally, meet the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2 96 wireless. A full-sized experience packed into a 96% design. It's compact, but still gives you a full numpad, tri-mode connectivity, and those hot swappable ROG Nex snow linear switches for smooth, consistent feedback. It's got PBT keycaps, per-key RGB, and premium sound dampening, so every key press feels tight and refined. This one's perfect if you want the functionality of a full board, but the space of a TKL, ideal for both pros and hybrid workers. And with ROG build quality, it's built to survive the most intense gaming sessions. Find the link in the description for the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2 96 wireless. So there you have it, the best gaming keyboards for pro gamers in 2026. All product links are in the description. Check them out and find the one that fits your setup. Because in gaming, milliseconds matter, but so does that perfect click.